back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
There we go. Lineups are set. Lights are out. We're about to go racing here at Beckley Motor Speedway, our first preliminary event of the night. INEX Legends cars, heat number 1, coming around, waiting for the flagman to show them the green flag. Here he goes, green flag is there. We're racing here at Beckley Motor Speedway. Side by side into turn number 1. As the 222 is going to drive it in there hard. He's going to get it to stick. He'll pull down the back straightaway. Your outside pole sitter or Willard. He'll fall back to third. Give Rick Williams the second spot coming around to complete lap number 1. Oh, car hard to wall in turn number 2. That was your second place car, third place car. That's the 429 of Corey Willard. Got down there into turn number 2, and it's almost like he overcorrected, or I'm not going to speculate, but he definitely hit the wall hard there in turn number 1. Back green next time by 2 laps into this 5-lap heat race. Alrighty, lights are out. Flagman's looking at the field. Getting ready to come back. Green right here. Green flags in there. We're racing again here in heat race number 1. Good single file restart. Everybody kind of stays in line. The 94 Williams look to the bottom there in turn number 1. Not going to have a run down the back straight away. He'll look to the inside of your race leader, Chris Mills, down the front straight away. Does the 94 have anything for Mills? Looks like the 222's got the momentum going. He looks like he's about a lane and a half higher than the second place car of Williams. White flag this time by 1 final lap here in heat race number 1. Checkered flag this time by, give it to the 222 of Chris Mills. 94 of Williams will finish second. Got a car spun around here right before the line. That'll caution checkered this one. That was the 91 of Jamie Mahone. Once again, Chris Mills wins heat race number 1. Rick Williams second. Chris Warden third. Chris Parker fourth. John Rogers fifth. Jamie Mahone sixth. And Calvin Willer rolled around. CDRA cars need to be in staging. SCDRA cars need to be in staging. You're next. You're next, SCDRA cars. All righty, got heat race number 2 lined up. Lights are out. Flagman's looking at him, waiting to come green right here. Out of turn number 4. Mills, Pritchard, going to bring him green flag in the air right there. Looks like your pole sitter spun the tires or something there on the start. He wasn't able to get going. That's going to give Pritchard the lead down the back straight away. To give the lead to the 39 car of Pritchard. Your pole sitter Mills falls back second. The 4 car of Haga in third. And the 18 of Hughes in fourth. They completed lap 1. Coming around to complete lap number 3 this time by. Oh, got a car around in turn number 4. Good thing he didn't roll up that. That'll bring the caution flag out. So never mind on the black flag. No black flag. Here we go. Pritchard, Mills coming around. The 18 car gets a real good jump right there. I don't know if they'll like that or not, but we'll stay green right now. Caution flag is out. They're going to call that one back. Alrighty, here we go. Pritchard Jr., Mills, Haga, Hughes bringing us back around to the green flag. It's like we're coming to lap 3 right here. We'll have 2 laps to go. Green flag's back in the air. Good start that time out of your whole field. They stayed nose to tail until the green flag come out. Oh, with the 30 car of Mills got real high, found a hump in turn 4 right there. They're getting a little racy right here. White flag in air. One final time for Pritchard. Got a car stopped in bottom of turn 4. He's going to get it off the racetrack. We'll stay green. We're going to bring it back around to the checker flag. Here comes Pritchard. He's going to collect checker flag in heat race number 2. Mills will finish 3rd. Brandon Haga. Mills finished 2nd. Haga 3rd. Hughes 4th. Lilly 5th. Snuffer 6th. And Haga will round out your field. Solid race in here at race number 2. SCDRA cars need to be lined up. It's time for qualifying. SCDRA